Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. Excuse the rain if you're hearing the rain. I'm not sure if you're hearing or not, but it's currently raining and I want to get this video done because I'm babysitting for a while, and this girl makes a lot of noise. So I gotta get this video out of the way before she gets back. So we're gonna start this little Q&A. I asked for these questions like so long ago, it's not even funny. So yeah, I'm finally getting the time to actually do the video. Sorry it took so long. Never meant to make it take so long, just didn't have any time, couldn't find the time to actually make a video. But today we're making the sacrifice, we're gonna do this video. So without further ado, let us get into it. So yes guys, so I got quite a few questions. I must say it's quite a few. So yeah, let us start with the first. I think this was the first. Which one was this first? I don't even remember. I'm just gonna be starting somewhere. So the first question is, when we are gonna do a bad video? And this is from Taji_Douglas. If you guys don't know, I don't know if you guys know his channel, but if you don't, I'll link his channel down below. He does videos, very funny videos sometimes. So yes, you guys can check out his channel. Taj, I don't know when we're gonna do one video. I guess I can plan it and let's see where it goes. Yeah. Alright, so UW_Tash says, what is your favorite food? So I really don't know. Alright, here's the thing. I love breakfast foods, right? So I love eggs, bacon, I love pancakes, breakfast sausages, and all of that. However, when it comes on to like lunch or dinner looking kind of things, for lunchish kind of stuff, I like burger, fries, pizza sometime, but it's mostly burger and fries. For dinner like stuff, I love like spaghetti and what do you call it, shrimp and those kind of things. If I should choose overall, I'd have to say eggs and bacon. Yeah, I think I'll choose eggs and bacon. So yes, egg and bacon is my favorite. Alright, so the other part, where is the top? I think this is the top. What are you looking for in a spouse? Alright, so I would like a God-fearing guy. So somebody who is God-fearing. He needs to know God. He needs to be able to help me as well as I help him on his Christian journey. So yeah, I need a Christian guy. I'd prefer him to be about my age or 2 to 3 years. So yeah, I'd want somebody who is funny, a honest guy, hardworking, kind of nerdy because I like playing video games and I'd like somebody I can play video games with. So yeah, what else do I look for in a guy? There's something else, but I'm gonna just leave that part because I saw a question, because I looked at a question. I saw a question that asked something about the guy, so I'm just gonna leave that one for later. So yes, you'll hear that part later. I also would like a guy that probably works out a bit because I like the idea of working out, but I need motivation. So a guy that works out would probably motivate me to work out, you know? Yeah. Alright, so the next question, do you own pets? I don't own any pets at the moment. I once had birds, that's like the love birds, but one of them died, and you know, once one dies, you have to either give them a next mate or it will actually kill itself. So it actually picking itself to death. Yeah, that's what it did. Alright, the next question says homebody or going out. It depends on the day, because I'm a person that sometimes I really just do not want to go anywhere. My anxiety and road no work well sometimes, so when I have to go out, my body does not do well with it. So I just feel like down and don't want to go. But then when I reach on the road, I don't want to come back home. You get me? So the anxiety kind of makes it hard. But there are some days that I don't want to go anywhere, and there are some days I just want to be out and about. I don't want to see no yard. I just want to go places. So yeah, it depends on the day. As I said, depends on the day. All right, so the next one, what are the 3 words that best describes you? Shy, socially awkward. Alright, let me take out the shy part. I am shy, yes, but I'd say socially awkward, I'd say kind, and I'd say crazy. So yes, those 3 words I'll choose. How did it feel when you finally hit 1K? Oh my gosh, it felt like I had accomplished something. Guys, I was doing this for like years. How many years? Like probably about 3 years. I don't even remember, but it was quite a while. So it was kind of something I've been wanting for a while. Really good. Do you plan on doing more? Oh yes, sorry, all those questions were from Jamaica Girl Next Door, and this question is from Anointed Shelly's TV, and it says, do you plan on doing more faith-based content? Faith-based content, like, I'm not even sure. I will always do Christianish content because I'm a Christian, and I'm not gonna hide that from the world. I'm not gonna change who I am on YouTube different from what I am in person. So yes, it will be faith-based, but like Bible study stuff, unless I'm not one to fake anything, so unless I'm actually doing it and want to share what I'm doing. So like the book that I have that I write down things in, if I decide to have my Bible study and do that, I will actually like show you guys what I do and all of that. So probably like things like that. So like what I do to keep reading my Bible and all of that. So yes, I might do some, but probably not the in-depth kind of ones. I'm not sure if that's what you meant. Hopefully I answered your question. Alright, so Shelly's Corner says, where do you see yourself in 5 years? 5 years, 5 years. 27, 28, 29, 30, 21, 32. I'll be about 32 thereabouts. I want to see myself in my house. I want to see myself starting to drive. I want to see myself traveling. I want to see myself in a serious relationship. Probably even engaged, married. I don't know. You know, but it should be serious. Yes. But I just, all of those are things that I want to see myself in the future doing. I want to see myself like really, really, really close to God. Yeah, so that's where I want to see myself in the next 5 years. The next question is also, next 2 questions are also from Shelly's Corners. Are you dating / courting anyone? Not really. I have been looking, but I wouldn't say I'm dating somebody. I have joined dating apps that, I don't know if you call that, I don't call that dating, because saying hi to somebody and finding out they're not Christian, or finding out they're just nowhere in your criteria for a guy, I don't call that dating. So no, I'd say no. Alright, next question. Have you experienced God recently? If yes, how? I don't know. I don't know if I answered that one, dear. I'd say yes, I have, because I found myself being closer or feeling closer to God than I was before. So I'd say yes, but I don't know how to explain it. Alright, Fiona May says, have you ever thought about teaching abroad in US, Canada, UK, etc.? Yes. But here's my thing. Is it with teaching abroad? No, in Jamaica it's kind of easier for me to relate to them because I'm Jamaican, but I'm kind of scared because sometimes when I'm here I get tired of teaching and like I don't want to do it anymore, so I don't want to go over there to do it. I don't know, in my mind I know I'm cut out to be a teacher because I have never seen myself doing anything else. I can't find anything else that I want to do, so I know I probably should be teaching, but I don't know if I want to do it abroad. I'm still thinking about it, and I'm just waiting on God to tell me if it's a yes or a no, because I don't know. Yeah. Teacher B says, have you ever hit rock bottom? How much did you push yourself to keep going rather than giving up? I don't know if I've ever hit rock bottom, because well, rock bottom is kind of different for everybody, I guess. I think mentally I think I've reached there mentally, but yeah, I think God is what he's the one that kind of pushed me out. I don't think I pushed myself out. He has some ways to bring you out of some situations that you don't even know unless you look back and see that, yeah, that's him. So yes, I think that's the only rock bottom I've actually hit, you know. Yeah. She also asked, what are your biggest disappointments in life so far and why? Disappointments, I don't know. My biggest disappointment is with myself in not learning to drive earlier. Every time I see people on the road I drive, I am sorry I did not push myself a little earlier to get my license and drive, because now in my older state, in my 20-something stage, the fear of driving now and failing is the worst feeling ever. Okay, so yeah, that is my biggest disappointment. It's with myself with that. All right, Lavita Jennings says, why did you start YouTube and what keeps you motivated? So I started YouTube with the intention of just, well, because I was watching YouTube so often. I was enjoying YouTubers, and then I'm like, I can do that. So I enjoy filming, I enjoy using my camera and just editing, so I decided to start. And yeah, that is why I actually started YouTube, because of the YouTubers I was watching at that time. I think it was Jake Paul and I don't remember her name. I don't even watch these YouTubers anymore because their content changed in a way that is not my style anymore, so I kind of stopped watching them. So I don't remember their name. Tila, that's her name, Tila. So yes, what keeps you motivated? My family, especially my sister, she keeps me motivated. Thinking that I do not want to fail, that also keeps me motivated. So yeah, those are the things that keeps me motivated. All right, so the next question comes from Marcia Lawrence. Do you have a preference in skin color? I'm assuming you mean a partner. I'm assuming. I'm just gonna actually just say I'm into interracial relationships, so if you know what that means, then you know what the answer is. What are your spiritual aspirations as it relates to ministry? All right, so I aspire to be at a place in my spiritual journey where I can walk up to somebody and minister to them. I'm not at that stage. No, I don't know if it's actually spiritually, it's just personally, because as I said, I'm very, very socially awkward. I do not do well with talking to people, so I do better talking to a camera than I do to people. So I think for spiritual aspirations, I am gonna try, as Shelly asked, I want to do things about God and, you know, sharing the word and things like that, but I have to find a way to do it, you know, my style, not in the style that people do it, in my style. So yes, ministry in that way. I aspire to do that in the media that God has created for me to do it through like all the social medias, actually, not just YouTube, through Snapchat, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, all of those. I want to do it through all of them. So yes, I aspire to do that. Do you think things will ever get back to normal? Well, it seems to be getting back to normal. I think the light just went. It seems to be getting back to normal a bit, so I think yes, it might get back to normal, or normal, what we deem to be normal. It seems to be getting back there, so I'd say yes. Jamaica Girl Next Door has 3 more questions, and they say, what brings you pleasure? Food. Beach. It is sad to say, but it's actually true. Food, beach. What else? I don't know. Yeah, food, beach. That's most of it. What's your biggest fear? Spiders. Hate them. Don't want to see them. Insects. Hate them. Don't ever want to see them. So yes, spiders, insects, hate them all. Biggest fear. Alright, which small YouTuber would you do a video with? There are quite a few. I'd do a video. Actually, there's quite a few. I don't even remember all of them names right now, but pretty much if a small YouTuber is in my category of video, or video category, and they want to do a video, I'm not the one to look at like how much they have and all of that, even though I've kind of learned a lesson to do videos with the persons that actually watch you and that you actually watch, because I've done collabs with some YouTubers and they don't even watch my videos anymore. They don't even come on my videos anymore, and I've actually just, since they're not watching mine, I just stopped watching theirs because I think it's kind of unfair. So is that they brought nothing to my channel, and I probably brought something to theirs. I don't know, but I've done collabs with YouTubers that are very supportive of me, and I never stop supporting them because they're always supporting me. And I do it again with them. I actually still have some to do, or I need to plan some. Yeah, what I do with small YouTubers, Shelly, Sassy Shan. I'm trying to remember Nikki's channel. I don't remember. Taj channel. Yeah, so there's quite a few I do it with. I'm not sure like who wants to do one right now, but yeah, I do collabs with them. All right, and then I think this is the last question. The last question is, what makes you happy? And I'd say family, friends, hanging out, like going to the beach, food. You can't live out the food part. Not like can't live out the food part, but I think those things are things that makes me happy. Just going out and stuff like that. Those things make me happy. So question to you guys now, what makes you happy? Comment down below in the comments what makes you happy. I am actually looking forward to seeing your response. So yes guys, sorry for such a long wait for this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell so you're notified whenever I make a video. Like this video, share this video, you know, comment something down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.